Suppose you see a patient with severe plaque psoriasis and you want to start treatment with a biologic. In the current era, there's a wide variety of treatments available for this, each with their own effectiveness and cost. The question is which treatment to start with and which order to treat patients with. Now, we have evaluated different orders of biologics and their associated effectiveness and costs. This can provide guidance for determining the optimal order of biological treatments and to select the optimal biologic to start with and which can be better saved for a later moment if the first treatment was unsuccessful.
To conduct this analysis, we used data on more than 500 treatment episodes from BioCAPTURE. And BioCAPTURE is a Dutch registry containing daily clinical practice data on the effectiveness of biologics in severe plaque psoriasis patients. This includes both quality of life and clinical parameters, but also details about the start and stop dates of all systemic psoriasis drugs.
These data from BioCAPTURE, along with data sourced from scientific literature, were put into a sequence model that was specifically built for this purpose. And it is able to analyze different treatment sequence orders. So, for example, starting with adalimumab, being followed by ustekinumab, and in case of treatment failure, finishing with etanercept. Now, we have simulated these treatment sequences for 10,000 patients and for a period of 10 years. Then we aggregated the total utilities and the cost associated with this treatment. The results show that the order of biological treatments makes a difference, though this is surrounded with substantial uncertainty. The results show that starting with adalimumab or ustekinumab is associated with the highest utility for patients, ranging from 7.9 to 8 QALYs or years in full health. Treatment sequences initiating with ustekinumab were associated with the lowest treatment cost over a period of 10 years, ranging from 142 to 143,000 euros. We also looked at a scenario in which etanercept biosimilars will be available on the market. Sequences initiating with etanercept biosimilars are associated with the lowest treatment cost for a period of 10 years, however also incur the lowest utility for the patients. Getting additional treatment benefit and starting with adalimumab or ustekinumab is possible, but is associated with an additional investment of 46 to 51,000 euros per QALY.
A major strength of this study is that it is the first study that reports on cost utility of biologic treatment sequences in psoriasis based on real-life data. A limitation is that study outcomes are based on a modeling approach instead of a direct comparison. But in conclusion, we would recommend, based on this analysis, to start with either adalimumab or ustekinumab for your patients. However, in clinical practice, the choice for treatment is not and should not be solely based on health economic outcomes. Clinicians evaluate a wide range of factors, such as individual patient characteristics and patient preferences, to inform treatment decisions. However, this analysis and these outcomes provide a valuable context for your decisions.